Car dealerships in Canada are making thousands of dollars off you, and most Canadians have absolutely no idea it is happening. Right now, every time they walk into a showroom. Here is exactly how they do it. Trick number 1, the monthly payment trap. They never talk about the total price of the car. They only talk about monthly payments. Because $600 a month sounds reasonable, until you realize you are paying it for 84 months. That is $50,400 for a car that costs $38,000. Trick number 2, dealer markups. Since 2021, Canadian dealers have been adding $5,000 to $15,000 on top of the manufacturer price. They call it a market adjustment. It is not an adjustment. It is pure profit, and you are paying it. Trick number 3, the financing game. The dealer does not make money selling you a car. They make money financing your car. When they say they got you a great rate at 7.9%, they actually got approved at 5%. They kept the difference. That is called dealer reserve, and it is completely legal in Canada. Trick number 4, unnecessary extras. Paint protection, rust proofing, extended warranty, gap insurance, fabric protection. All added to your contract before you even notice. All pure profit for the dealer. All almost completely worthless to you. Here is what you do instead. Get pre-approved at your bank before you go to the dealership. Negotiate the total price, never the monthly payment. Say no to every single add-on. And always use a car loan calculator before you sign anything. I built a free Canadian car loan calculator at mycalchub.ca. It shows you the real total cost of any car loan in seconds. Link is in the description. And follow Money Mastery, because the more you know about money in Canada, the less they can take from you. Money,